Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wix website to Google Analytics. To begin, ensure you have a Google Analytics 4 property set up. Once ready, navigate to your Google Analytics admin section. There, under Data Streams, you will find your unique measurement ID, which typically starts with the letter G followed by a series of numbers and letters. This ID is crucial for linking your site. Next, log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Marketing and SEO, then click on Marketing Integrations. Locate the Google Analytics integration and select Connect or Manage. A field will appear where you should paste the measurement ID you copied earlier. Save your changes to apply the integration to your Wix website. After adding the ID, it is essential to confirm that data is flowing correctly. Open your Google Analytics account and navigate to the real-time report. Then, open your Wix website in a separate browser tab. You should see your active visit appear in the real-time report within a few seconds. This confirms that your Wix site is successfully sending data to Google Analytics. With your Wix site now connected, you can unlock a wealth of information about your visitors. Google Analytics offers numerous reports to help you understand user behavior, traffic sources, and content performance. Regularly review these insights to make informed decisions and optimize your website. This powerful connection empowers you to enhance your online presence and achieve your business goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.